Hello guys, welcome back. Welcome back again to my YouTube channel, the #1 YouTube channel for your online earning tricks and tutorials. It's been long since I posted a video. I was so busy offline doing other important stuff, but now I'm back and I will be making a series of videos as usual per week or however they come. So today I want to address the issue of introducing a survey site. It has been there for so long. I know some people are doing it silently, but yeah, I just wanted to bring it to the attention of my viewers because it has minimum verification requirements and it has various ways of earning money on it. It also has its own disadvantages and advantages, which I'm going to address through this short review video. And the site I'm talking about is called Unipaid. Many people know about this site, Unipaid. It has so many ways of making money online, and as usual, you just click sign up, verify your email, and you're good to go. So you can go through their homepage. They say what they are and how they work and the benefits. So I have to go through the homepage right up. So I just want to log in directly to my account. So let me log in. So already have an account. I had tried some time to earn some money. You can see and my balance is around 2.4, and yeah, that's my balance. So this is the site. Once you register and verify your email, this is the first page you get, the members area. Members area, you're going to see the surveys of panels, like your survey router and the amount they pay per survey, say so rewards. You can see there are so many. So just scroll down and check whichever one you want to earn. Also, member areas gives you a review of everything on this particular site, but also you can earn money by playing games for gamers. So the games we load here, my internet is very slow, but basically all the games they provide load here. You can even play games to get money online if you are very good in gaming. Also, you can they have free offers, the offer walls here. The offer walls, you can see they support Panelland, Tap Research, CPX Research, Revenue, Universe, Monrix, Time Wall, AdSense Media. Yeah, basically you can even earn through the offer walls they have here. Some of the offer walls work well on mobile devices. So if you want to work on them, you can choose to have an Android or an iOS device to work on them. The Universe is very nice. Tap Research, CPX Research, Monrix, and Time Wall. They can give you very, very good rewards, even one ads. So then there is Hot Cash. This way now they list all the survey offers they offer. You see it has a page of 1:2, and if they tell you that if you can be able to complete all the surveys listed here, you can easily make $300+. So these are the surveys listed here. You have sample champs router. Just scroll down and you're going to see all the listed survey panels that they offer. You can click on any of them, complete any offer listed here, and you'll be able to make some income. Then paid tasks. These are tasks that you're supposed to do to get paid, like making a YouTube video like the way I'm doing, although I've not qualified because I don't have 10,000 subscribers. That's why I'm urging you guys to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I may be able to be enjoying such benefits. So another way to earn is through, say, sharing your referral link and also following the other recommended options here. Also, you can visit particular sites and get cash. That's why it's written here, visit cash. You can visit these websites and you'll be able to earn 1 point per visit. So you get more points as you visit more sites, the ones listed there. Then you have watching videos. This depends with your country. For example, you can click here, Pixel Point TV, and any video you watch, you get some reward. So the uniqueness about Unipaid, they have, apart from doing surveys here and a hot cash, you can make money through visiting sites, watching videos, playing games, and completing tasks listed on their site. Now, after earning your money, how do you cash out? So just click here balance. click balance, and you're going to see, you see, balance. The last time I worked was on April 17th. I've not been active on this site. So this way you see all your details. You can say all. You're going to display all what you have ever earned. So this, I've clicked all, so you can see this, it can show you the number of surveys I've completed. I completed the $1.20 surveys, 2 of them. That's why my balance is 240. And you can see I don't have any referrals. Basically, you see your account statement. Everything about your account, you see it here. Then here, this is the payment section. If you want to get paid, just click pay me. Pay me. And another beautiful thing about Unipaid is that the minimum you can withdraw from this site is $0.001. You see, the minimum is very low. If you need a check, the minimum is around $5. For Bitcoin, you just need a Bitcoin address, and the minimum is $5. So the disadvantage of Unipaid is that they pay only on 20th of every single month. So you can be earning you can add this site as one of your earning sites, but remember, withdraw is only once per month, and they pay on 20th of every single month. So make sure you, on 20th of every month, whichever time you cash out your reward, you'll be paid on 20th of every single month. So this is a very good site for accumulating and then cashing out on 20th, and then expecting your payment on 20th of every single month. That's the only disadvantage I see about Unipaid. But all the other stuff about them, they are good. They have many ways of earning, and they have minimal verification and verifications requirements. So if you're looking for a site with the minimal verification requirements and with many opportunities of earning money online, kindly check out Unipaid and give me the feedback and the comment section of this video. So this is one of the many videos I'm planning to release to my viewers. So keep it locked to my YouTube channel, and thank you for those returning to watch my videos. I'm really grateful. So thank you for watching. Keep it locked to my next video.